Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been about 5 months since we've last posted a video, which was like the end of August, so like it was around the end of summer. So we've all just been so busy with school and sports and everything that we haven't had the chance to make new videos, so it's awful, so I apologize for that. Around that time we had 400 subscribers, but now we have over 1,000 subscribers, so that's just honestly so insane for us. We're so happy and so thankful for all you guys, and that's a huge step for us. And I'd like to welcome all you new subscribers who haven't been around for a new video. So welcome to the channel. I hope you guys like our previous videos, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's get right into it. So I have all this snow that I got from the driveway, from shoveling the driveway, and I'm planning to pile it all up right about there, and then I'll be snowboarding off the roof like I did a couple years ago. So hopefully it goes well. It should be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun no matter what. So I'm gonna set this camera up right over there. Okay, so we have about a 5.5 foot mound right here, and we have about a 6 foot gap between the roof and the mound, which I'm not sure that I would make. So we're gonna put this black door thing right here. We're gonna dig it straight down into the mound and then push this snow back to give the mound some structure. Alright, I just finished the ramp. It looks really good. It's just about as tall as me. It's like 6 foot tall. But, I mean, it looks really good. So, we got this thing rigged up really bad. As you can tell, we have wood everywhere. We have a shovel holding snow up here. We have a snow shovel giving the back some support. And on this side, we have some more wood. But, I mean, I did whatever I could to make it work, and it still looks really good, so I'm about ready to jump up on the roof. Alright, so I'm really happy with how that went. It worked really well. The snow is getting really wet because it's like 45 degrees right now, so the snow is like super wet and it's not ideal snowboarding conditions. So that's why I had to stop, or else I would do a lot more. But I'm happy with how it went. It was a lot of fun, and that'll be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Go, post, stop recording.